everyone, and welcome to Katherine's Kitchen. Today we will be making a carrot cake. You will need 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of grated nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now you're going to combine this. When you have combined all the dry ingredients, then you are going to add 4 beaten eggs. You're going to add also 3/4 cup of cooking oil and 3 cups of finely grated carrots. Make sure that your carrots you finely grate it, because if you don't, it's going to sink to the bottom of your cake. Now you're going to mix this. Still it's combined. You can also add to your mixture chopped walnuts, chopped pecans, or you can add a little bit of raisins. It depends on your taste. You are going to now put this in a preheated 350-degree oven in a 9-inch cake pan. You're going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until when you insert a pick in the center, it comes out clean. Okay, so guys, this is what your cake batter is supposed to look like. I am going to add a 1/3 cup of chopped walnuts to mine, but I'm going to fold it in. I'm just going to lightly fold it in, and then I'm going to pour the batter to bake my cake. Okay, so now your cake is ready for your oven. Just remember, please grease and flour your cake pan before putting your cake batter in it, okay?